Hello, curious minds. Welcome to Promote Future Curiosity Lab. I am Bunny, the rabbit, and today I have a magical jungle story for you. I want to tell you a story about me and my best friend Tiko the Tortoise. One sunny morning, I was hopping around the jungle and saw Tiko slowly walking along. I laughed and thought, Tico is so slow. I bet I can reach the big mango tree way before him. I challenged Tico to race. Let's see who can reach the big mango tree first. I said. The jungle animals gathered to watch us. Monkeys, birds, even the side deer. As soon as the race began, I hopped and jumped as fast as I could. I was so far ahead that I decided to rest under a shady tree. I am so fast, I thought. I can sleep a little before reaching the tree. Meanwhile, Chico kept moving, slowly, steadily, one step at a time, step by step, never stopping, never giving up. When I woke up, I saw Trico very close to the mango tree. I ran as fast as I could, but it was too late. Trico reached the tree first. I learned something very important that day. Even though I am fast, being slow and steady like Tico can help you reach your goal. From that day on, I still love hopping around, but I never underestimate patience and consistency again. So remember, friends, slow and steady really does win the race.